Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting tools that let you access hidden spaces, flashlight for dark vents and a lighter to trigger small mechanisms. Once done, sweep the immediate room methodically. Look under crates and behind posters where devs hide items. You should then approach the maintenance vent, use the screwdriver action to remove 2 exposed bolts and pull the panel. This gives you immediate access to the crawl space where the next clue and a usable item will be waiting. You crawl through the vent and follow the service ducts toward the maintenance corridor. Keep low and move slowly to avoid triggering motion sensors. Once in the corridor, create a brief distraction, throw a can or activate a noisemaker to lure the patrolling bot away from the locker area. Then approach the service locker, pick the lock, or use the small tool you found. Inside, you'll find a keycard fragment or an access module. Combine fragments in inventory. You head straight to the security door and swipe the reconstructed keycard at the terminal. You'll hear a click when accepted, and the door will unlock. If the card reads invalid, make sure you combined fragments correctly and then recharge it at the nearby power panel for about 10 seconds to restore charge. If the game still blocks progress, reload the last autosave or checkpoint. This often resets stuck triggers and returns the bot patrols to their normal routes so you can try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.